Embedded for All will empower you in the world of embedded systems with projects, courses, tutorials, and tools. But hold on, why you should learn embedded systems? Imagine you were walking down the street, you overheard someone saying embedded devices are everywhere. This thought stuck in your mind. All this while, these devices seemed to hide from you, but now these devices started appearing. As you entered your house, you couldn't help but notice something different. The familiar surroundings seemed to have a subtle glow of excitement. Curiosity sparkled within you as you glared around, and you soon realized that your home was filled with embedded devices, each quietly performing its unique task. As you stepped into the living room, your eyes were drawn to the smart TV mounted on the wall. It greeted you with a vibrant display showing your favorite cartoon character. You marveled at how the TV, with its embedded system, brought entertainment to life with stunning visuals and crystal clear sound. Moving further into the house, you noticed a small, smart speaker sitting on the shelf with just your voice. You could request your favorite songs and hear them fill the room. Thanks to the embedded systems within the speaker, it was like having a personal DJ at your command. In the kitchen, you found a smart refrigerator. It had a sleek touchscreen display that showed a digital inventory of groceries, reminding you of items that need to be restocked. The embedded systems in the refrigerator also adjusted the temperature settings automatically, ensuring that the food stayed fresh for longer. As you headed upstairs, you reached your bedroom, where your alarm clock glowed softly. The alarm clock, with its embedded systems, not only woke you up each morning but also tracked your sleep patterns, helping you get a better understanding of your restful nights. Next to your bed, your beside lamp caught your attention. It responded to your touch, adjusting its brightness as desired. It amazed you how the embedded systems within the lamp could transform a small lighting fixture into a personalized source of illumination. As you made your way through the house, you realized that embedded devices were not just in plain sight, but also hidden within the walls. The thermostat regulated the temperature, making the house comfortable, while motion sensors detected movement and turned on lights automatically, conserving energy. The realization dawned on you that your home was a testament to the wonders of embedded systems. These assuming devices were all around you, silently working together to ensure your family's daily life. The embedded systems brought convenience, efficiency, and entertainment, transforming your house into a smart and connected home. In that moment, you felt a surge of inspiration. You are captivated by the possibilities of creating your own embedded systems, imagining the incredible devices you could design to make the world even better place. With a newfound excitement, you made a mental note to learn more about embedded systems and start your own journey of exploration and innovation. As you continued your exploration of the house, you couldn't help but feel a sense of wonder and anticipation for the bundles opportunities that embedded systems held. As you realized that these devices are not just in your home, but also in your car, in your office buildings, in the streets, and all around the place. Little did you know that this newfound fascination would shape your future, leading you on the path of discovery and invention, where you could become a creator of the very embedded system that fascinated you. After doing a little bit of research, you are convinced that there are so many reasons why you should dive into the world of embedded systems. Empowerment to innovate. Embedded systems are the backbones of countless devices we use every day, from smartphones and smartwatches to home automation systems and medical devices. By learning embedded systems, you gain the power to innovate and create your own intelligent devices and solutions. You can bring your unique ideas to life and make a real impact on the world around you. Endless career opportunities. The demand for professionals with expertise in embedded systems is on the rise. Industries such as automotive, aerospace, healthcare, robotics, and IoT are actively seeking skilled embedded systems engineers. By acquiring knowledge in this field, you open the doors to a wide range of exciting career opportunities with excellent growth potential and job security. Deeper understanding of technology. Learning embedded systems provides you with a deeper understanding of how technology works at a fundamental level. You will gain insights into the intricacies, interactions between hardware and software, learning how to optimize performance, ensure reliability, and maximize efficiency. This knowledge will enhance your ability to troubleshoot and solve technical challenges in various domains. Hands on problem solving. Embedded systems development is all about hands on problem solving. You will learn to track complex challenges such as device communication, real time constraints, power management, and sensor integration. This practical experience builds your analytical and critical thinking skills, enabling you to approach problems creatively and develop efficient solutions. Bringing hardware and software. Embedded systems sit at the intersection of hardware and software. By learning this field, you gain a unique skill that combines both domains. You will develop expertise in programming microcontrollers, working with sensors and actuators, and optimizing code to interact with the physical world. This combination of hardware and software knowledge sets you apart as a versatile and valuable professional. Personal and hobby projects. Embedded systems offer an excellent opportunity for personal projects and hobbies. Whether you're interested in building a home automation system, designing a smart garden, or creating a personalized IoT device, learning embedded systems allows you to turn your ideas into reality. It's a fulfilling way to explore your creativity and expand your technical skills. Continuous learning and growth. The field of embedded systems is ever evolving, with new technologies and advancements constantly emerging. By learning embedded systems, you embark on a lifelong journey of continuous learning and growth. You will stay updated with the latest industry trends, discover new tools and techniques, remain at the forefront of technological innovation. Learning embedded systems offers a thrilling and rewarding path. It empowers you to innovate, open doors to exciting career opportunities, deepens your understanding of technology, develops problem solving skills, bridges the gap between hardware and software, fuels personal projects, and facilitates continuous learning. So, by embracing the world of embedded systems, you unlock your potential to shape the future of technology.
Subscribe to the channel for more projects, courses, tutorials, and tools.